Nvidia has been a powerhouse for the S&P 500 in 2024. Their dominance in the AI chip market has significantly boosted the index's overall earnings growth. Here's a breakdown. 1. Growth driver. Over the past year, Nvidia's earnings growth is estimated to be responsible for a whopping 37% of the S&P 500's total earnings per share growth. This means a significant chunk of the market's positive performance can be attributed to Nvidia's success. 2. AI powerhouse. Their cutting-edge GPUs fuel advancements in artificial intelligence, a booming field. This demand for Nvidia's technology translates to strong financial performance for the company, which in turn ripples through the S&P 500. 3. Looking ahead, while Nvidia's impact is undeniable, the future isn't quite as rosy. Analysts predict a more modest contribution of 9% to the S&P 500's earnings growth in the next year. This suggests the market might become less reliant on Nvidia's specific performance.